Hey, good morning, YouTube. It's John with Space City EDC coming to you today, and I wanted to take another look at these Leatherman accessories. There's a lot of multi-tools on the market, and some are good, some are bad, some are replicas, but Leatherman has been around for a long time, and I've always carried one of their products usually, or it's Gerber makes also, but I've carried and used a lot of Leatherman, and today I got the rebar with me, so I'm going to go over some of the accessories that you can use with the rebar, and you can use these with any Leatherman, but this just happens to be what I got with me today, so we're going to use this one. But these are bit kits that you can buy separately. This one is particularly for like the rebar, the 300 ST multi super tool. It will also fit, other like some even Gerber products, and we'll show you how that works here in just a minute. But this one is $25 right at the moment on the website for Leatherman. This one's $35, and this one is also $25. And the bit kits can be purchased for $15 for each like sleeve. But the way these work is, for instance, on the rebar, you have this nice 3D Phillips, which I like a lot, and we're going to use this is a small, something like they used to get on the camera, but this is just a microphone here for an aircraft. So, as you can see, this 3D Phillips will fit. It's a little tight, not tight, but a little bit larger than the screw. So what you could do is you could take this adapter and you can put it on your end of and it stays on there nice and snug. Put that on there, and then you can get you a smaller bit. Doesn't matter what bit you need, if it's a Phillips, if it's a hex, if it's a 6-point, or even a Allen type head, they have some pretty good variety of bits. But you slip this in here and it stays in place. It's not going to come out. And then you can come over here to this small screw with this ratchet, and you can turn it. I'm sorry, I don't have the ratchet on it yet, but you can turn it. See, that fits it a lot better. Okay. Now, if you want to use the ratchet, you simply pull this out. You can slip that in there. And then forward. You can turn it forward, twist this barrel here, and go back. Turn that off. So, like that. So that makes it nice. And the extension works the same way. The extension will fit in here like that. just remove your screws. Or you can even take it, the ratchet, you know, now that you've got them loose, or you don't say it's not very tight, you can use a ratchet by itself, like a little screwdriver. You know, pull out your screws. And you don't have to have the big Leatherman multi-tool, but initially you might need it because you need a little bit more torque. But you know, an extension we'll show you here in a minute. It works the same way. It's got that little spring in there that keeps those bits in place, like that. But yeah. So, you know, that's it. I mean, that's what it does. Now, if you were putting it back on, these screws are very small. Just lost it. Where'd it go? We'll have to look for that one in a minute. Alright. So you can take this bit here. If you look in there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a spring. See that little spring in there? That's what holds those bits in place. And each bit has a little detent in it right here. So that's going to snap in place. And this is the extension I was showing you. If you want to use an extension, you're just going to pull that out. Put that back in your adapter. And turn it like so. But that's it. That's some of the accessories from Leatherman. Just wanted to show these to you guys, if in case you haven't had the opportunity to use them, or maybe never used them or thought about buying some but weren't sure. And like I said, you can get additional bits, and for the regular Leatherman, like the Waves and the Surge and whatnot, you don't have to have this adapter. However, this adapter is pretty handy to have because it fits a variety of Leatherman, and it also will fit some Gerber. So anyway, just want to make this quick video. Hope you guys are having a great day, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.